Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the third video of Module 6. Here we are going to understand what is the type of data set that we are going to deal with. Then we're going to add this data set to our Google Collaboratory notebook and then discuss an end goal of this particular project in this video. So let's get into it. Now let's go ahead and understand what is the problem statement that we are trying to solve over here. And then with respect to solving it, what is the data set that we are going to use. So the objective of this project is to go ahead and classify the type of a star based on its properties like luminosity, temperature, radius, and the absolute magnitude. If you are having this particular data, you can train your machine learning model, make it so smart in a way that if you are having for any random star, its luminosity, temperature, radius, and absolute magnitude, your model will be able to predict it accurately. So this is the type of thing that we are going to build as we go ahead in this particular module. And what is the type of data that we are using? I have actually customized this whole data in a way that you don't really need to focus on cleaning the data or having any kind of manipulations. I have already done that for you, so you don't need to really worry about it. But if you want to know that from where have I taken this data, then this is where I have taken it from. It's a Kaggle web page with respect to the data set, and it's shared by Deepraj over here. It's only 3 KB of data, but all the information about this data set you can find it over here. But yeah, that's about the where I have taken this data set from. And this is the data set that you need to download in your system first of all. So I'll just click on that. Now it's going to go ahead and download this data set into your system. Remember, this data set, I have already customized it by myself so that it's only having those type of things that we require for this project. And we don't really have to spend time on that data cleaning part as I mentioned. So yes, that's about the data set. We are going to go ahead and upload this data over here very quickly. So I'll just click on this folder and I'll just wait for a few seconds. For the first few seconds, you won't be getting this kind of options. After a few seconds, or maybe you can just try to go to some different options over here and then come back to this particular one. You will be able to see that there is an option to upload your files. So if I click over here and click on the start type, what's going to happen? It's going to add that CSV file that I've just downloaded into my system onto my Google Colab platform. Now I am going to use this particular CSV file to do the machine learning process with respect to the logistic regression. So that's the whole idea. I hope the idea is clear. And then once this training will be completed, we'll go ahead and download the trained weights and bias that we got from this training and then do some kind of prediction with respect to that and then use that model and deploy it as an API. So that's the entire project that we're going to do for the remaining videos for this module. So that's it about this particular video over here, students. And I hope that you were able to understand the type of data set that we are dealing with, that is with respect to the star type classification and what is the final aim of this project. Now in the next video, we're going to explore more on this particular data set. So stay tuned for that.